Howdy folks, it's Handsome. Yeah, and we got a returning camera to the tube. Good old R6. Actually, it is a new problem that I have not seen with this. That used to happen on the mirrored camera, 5D Mark IV, Mark III, all that good stuff. Before we get into this camera, hit that like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. Appreciate y'all. But back to it. Today, we are going to mess with the R6 shutter dial. So we have a faulty shutter dial. The only way to really show you is, yeah, you can already see, you can hear me moving it and it's staying at, there's 30 and it stays at 20. This customer said during shooting that it's just faulty or sluggish. Honestly and truthfully, you could just change that functionality to here, but hey, it's cool. So I told her that I would go up in my junkyard and grab a wheel off of a top cover, which that's what I did. This was a common issue with the 5D series. I remember doing hundreds of them. The rubber would just come off, flop around. Horrible design. Doing a great job, Canon. I do not even have my tools on the table. That's how you know I came in and was not planning on doing a video today. Well, I guess I could keep them out of frame. So before we start repairing, you know what we do. Tools of the day, baby. Bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell when you got Diddy in your mouth. I don't know if they'll make the cut. That is awesome. I hate Jay-Z. Cross point screwdrivers. You ain't seen the video, watch it. The link is there. Gonna make an updated one eventually. Got your straight tweezers, curved tweezers. This should be quick and easy. Hopefully, we shall see. First and foremost, get that battery out. Dirk, you fell. Oh my gosh, Dirk, you can just stay there. So, viewfinder. Love starting with that first. Gotcha. That's how this is gonna go. Hope everybody's staying positive, staying focused. We're gonna get this side panel off. If I'm not mistaken, that R6 has to come off. We're gonna get up in this corner, take that R6 emblem off. Then of course, we got the hidden screw under the leatherette. If this is your first R6 video with me, then there you go. Get these screws. Then you got these 3 on the bottom plate. One there. Might as well just take it off because there's another one there. And then don't forget these two. Definitely going out of order today. It's all good. Doing so many pairs. And the screwdriver that I like, which is this one, isn't that nice on my fingers. Go ahead and pop out a little bit. And then these guys, take a little lift. And let's see if get a better view. Not really. Just go ahead and lift up on this flex cable. Boom. We're gonna lift up this latch, pull back, take off, put there. Sound like a robot. And we got these. Let's do these. And then this guy pops off. So does this guy. And then there is a hidden screw here under the grip. Then I believe she pops off. Pop that top off. I got her top off, bro. Then we are going to remove this flex cable. One, two, three. And we're going to look at it. We're going to mark this so that we know something's going on, so we don't put it back in. Let's put the screws back in. Okay. Alright. So we got that replaced. Now, straighten up your tools because of your awesomeness. And top cover back in. Let's throw some basic. Let's throw these two in the middle in. So when we test, so that we can test the part. Viewfinder. Okay. Feels the same, to be honest. Not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. There's no need to lie. Oh, wow. Look how fast that goes now. What? She was totally right, dude. I was gonna make fun of her. Look how fast that goes. Man, that's just like me. That was pretty rad. Take the battery out. Let's finish what we started, which was the top cover. Got those. Let's go ahead and throw these. Boom, boom. I don't know why I did that. I'm looking forward, I guess. She was right. Totally right, dude. Let's do those bottom ones real quickie. Quickie. Had a handful of people, viewers / subscribers from YouTube, send me in their camera, and I really appreciate that. I guess I'll give them YouTubers discounts. You hit me up. You send your camera in and you're a subscriber, I'll give you a hookup, homie hookup. Just because this is the only platform that I use. I don't operate it, but I don't even use it. It's the only platform that I promote my business on, other than Google, but I'm pretty sure YouTube and Google are the same thing. But if you are still watching this video at this point, send in a camera, I'll give you a discount. If you can, you need to show and prove that you're a subscriber, though. You can't just watch or unsubscribe after. Nah, it's all good. I ain't tripping. There's no need to be tripping. Now I'm just babbling. Make sure that diopter is diopting. because if not, that customer will let you know. Did I get that in all the way? Yep. Triple quadruple check. Good to go, and we are quick, fast, in a hurry. Make sure touchscreen works. We live, and no card and camera type of deal. Gotcha. That is changing the shutter dial on an R6. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, comment, holla at your boy. Y'all know the drill. Peace.